Alright guys, so this tutorial, I'm doing this video for you to get abreast to mine or claim the mine token, a token that has been listed recently on Bitforex, so that you have the chance to claim it every day. And for now, it is I think one of the token is 6 point something dollars, so you claim it for free. And the amazing thing is you can instantly withdraw it through Bitforex or swap it to USDT through Bitforex and then get your money. So it's a free token. It's a creative token that everybody can mine or can claim. So it's an opportunity I think it's worth trying, because I have started it and I've been mining. So I want to show you basically how you can do it, register and start mining. Okay, so you just click on the link. Now the link is in the description of this video. Click on it like I'm doing. I'm going to show you through the process of registration. So just come with me and let's do it together, so that you take note, watch to the end and know how it is done. Okay, so once you click on the link, you have to just wait it for it to load for you. Now it will bring you here. It's mine base and it's a token. It's a token. I said we are mining this token for free. Now you are going to fill in the details. So you put in your name. So maybe that's my name. So just fill in the now when you get to the mobile number, you have to change the flag or the country to your country. I am in Ghana, so I will change it to Ghana. I'll change it to Ghana. Okay, then my country code will also appear. Then you continue with the rest of your number. Okay, so you fill it like now. If you fill all these things, then you check this small box. You just click inside it for it to mark. When it is done, you sign up. Okay. Alright, so you will get this notification. Welcome to my base. Confirm your email. So they have sent an email to your email. Okay, they give you an email. You have to go and open it and then confirm it. So let's go to my email. Gmail. Okay, so it's here. You click on it. You read and then you click on confirm email. And it is done. You wait for it to load. Okay, so that is the email. You have successfully confirmed your email. Congratulations, you verify your email address. Please click the button to go to dashboard. So you click on go to dashboard and then it will send you right to your dashboard. Okay, so this is your dashboard. This is your dashboard. You can navigate, you can read through everything here. You click on anything here and then you read through anything. Okay, all right, so that is it. Now this is the menu. If you click on the top right, the 3 horizontal lines here, it will display a menu for you. Then you click anything. Okay, now I need you to pay attention to this one here, which says CTP. Now when you click on CTP, because that's where we do the mining. Okay, but the thing is, after you are done with registration, your account is not active yet. Okay, it's not active, so you have to wait for some hours. Sometimes it takes a day or two before they activate in your account for you. Sometimes they will give you an email to confirm it. Sometimes you will not see it, the email. So yours is once a while, come to your dashboard, open the, click on the CTP and then click on period of time here. click on period of time, because that's how you do the claiming or the mining. So if you click on it and your account is active, you will see something will appear here. Okay, but if it is appearing no data, it means your account is yet to be activated. You have to wait patiently. So that is about the registration. Now, this is an account I used to do demonstration for registration. Now I'm going straight to log into my own account where I'll be doing the claiming and show you how the claiming or the mining is done. Okay, so I'm going to log out of this account and log in my main account. Alright, so I have logged out of the registered account. Now this is my own account. If you have an account already, when you come, it will only request you of your email and then your password. Then you log in. So I'm going to fix those ones, and then I'm going to log in for us to look at something. Okay. Alright, so this is my main account. It has already been activated, so I have the mining already. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how the mining is done. You don't have to do this all the time on your phone. It's only 25 hours. If you do it today, 25 hours later, before you can come back and then claim. So now let's click on these 3 horizontal lines here, and then it will open my menu for me. You see, I have done my claiming already. So far I claim once, so that's what I have here. Now let's go to the CTP and then let's look at something, because that's where the claiming is done. So if I open my CTP now, open it, let it load. Okay, so we click on period of time at the top here. This one, period of time. If you click on period of time, you allow it to load. Okay, so you've seen what I have here. Means if you look at this, it is completed. That's what I claimed yesterday, but today's own is what we have here as pending. So you too, when your account is activated, if you come to CTP and you go to period of time, you see pending here. It means you are ready to claim. Now this is how you claim. Okay, pending means I can claim this one. So I'll scroll to the right a bit. You see this code here. This code here. Just copy the code. Okay, click on it and highlight it. Then you click on copy. Then you scroll down a bit. Scroll down a bit. Oh, okay, guys, they are telling me something here. I need us to take note of it and then do it right away so that we can continue. Okay, they say 2FA is not activated. Please enable 2FA to submit your code. To activate 2FA, click here. Maybe you also encounter the same problem, so let me guide you through how to do the 2-factor authentication. So if you have not done 2-factor authentication, you need to download Google Authentication on your phone. I'm going to guide you through. Okay, if you have problem too, you can contact me through the how do you call it, my comments. I will guide you to do the 2-factor authentication. So I have it on my phone, my 2-factor authentication on my phone. So I'm going to do the 2FA so that I can continue with the claiming. Okay, so come with me and let's do it together. Now they are giving you processes. Okay, they say install the 2-factor authentication on your phone, then scan the QR code using Google app and all that. So I have it on my phone already. So what I'm going to do is this. Alright, so let's click here. Click here. So we click here. So it brings us here. Now we have to copy this code here. So you click on this small box here which says copy. You copy it, then you minimize here and go and launch your 2-factor, your authenticator. This is mine on my phone. If you don't have it, you need to download it. So you just click on it for it to open. Now once it's open, you come to add, because you are coming to add something new. These are for other things. So you click add, then you click on the keyboard here, then the name. So for something I have to keep in memory, for something you will not forget, just type in mind base so that you don't forget it. Okay, then here the code you copy, you paste it here at the key column. You paste it, then you add. Once you click on add, it will save it for you. So now this is a code it is generating for you. Every 60 seconds it generates that code for you. I have to wait. You see, this time is running out. I have to wait when the new one opens, because if I open this one, I cannot send it within the time. It will expire on me. So you wait. When the other one opens, then you copy it, click it, and it is copied. Now you go to the dashboard, okay, and then you paste that code you copy, paste it here from the authenticator. Just paste it there. Good. Then you click on activate 2FA. All right, so you let it load, and then okay, so you see the feedback here. Two-factor authentication is enabled. Good. So now that it is enabled, let me go back and then claim my token. So you go to your menu and take the CTP. Then you click on period of time again. Then now it will come the way you want it to come. Okay, it will come the way you want it to come. So yours is to copy the code. This code here, you copy it like we did previously. Copy, and then you scroll down. You scroll down to where we have enter code. When we have enter code here, you enter the code. So I'll enter the code there, I'll paste it. Then where we have the 2FA code, you need to go to your authenticator again and then take the code it will generate for you. Okay, so this one is going, I'll let it go because it will expire on me if I should copy it. So the new one that will come, I will take it. So let me take this one. Okay, so it's copied. You go to the dashboard, and then you paste it here. Good. Then you submit. So once you submit, you see successful submitted. Then you see now it has written as what? Completed. So it means that you have completed it. Now if you come here, if you scroll to the right, to the left, you see that the amount is what? 1. Yesterday this one was 1, to this one it was 1. One of their token, which is the mind-based token. Good. But if you look into your wallet, if you come to the menu here, and then you will see that it is what? 13 point something. Okay, because yesterday this one and to this one. So guys, basically that is how you do the claiming. Okay, now in the next video I'm going to make, I'm going to tell you about how you are going to do the withdrawal. Most important. So start the mining process. The mining, I'm sure by the time I do the withdrawal, the video for the withdrawal, you might have mined something. I'll tell you the conditions of the withdrawal and everything. So you start mining with the link I'm going to put in the description of the video. Open the description of the video, click on the link, follow the registration process, and check your account. If it is activated, start claiming it. Okay, because from what I have heard and learned, this token is going to do massive. And once you have gotten to the amount you can withdraw, you just withdraw it to your BitForex. I'll show you how to download the BitForex app and then confirm it. Then you do your withdrawal from there. You can withdraw into the BitForex, use it to trade there, or you can withdraw it and then use it. You swap it to USDT and then you withdraw it. It's instant. So guys, that is the new opportunity I feel like sharing with you. Okay, so you can also join my Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. Join the Telegram group so that I'll be updating you, I'll be informing you, because we'll be having education on it in the Telegram room also. So guys, that is it. I wish you all the best, and then I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Stay blessed.